And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
5:12 this morning. In case you missed it, we did have Tropical Storm Kyle briefly over the weekend. It formed on Friday, was around on Saturday, and then it dissipated yesterday. So a 3-day storm, but it's another check off the list, our 11th named storm of the season. And there's some seasons we don't ever make it to K on the list. So once again, this was the earliest we've ever made it to K on the list, because on average, in a normal season, if we do get to K, it's not until November 23rd, and it's still August. So we fully anticipate that we are going to make it way down on this list, maybe even have to break it to the Greek alphabet. Next up, it would be our L storm, which would be Laura. And I tell you what, it may not be more than a few days away from forming, because there actually are 2 waves that we're watching, both out in the middle of the Atlantic right now. This one just coming off of Africa. But the environment looks conducive that this will eventually become a tropical depression or tropical storm. Of course, we've got to keep an eye on the one that's ahead first. And it looks like it's going to be moving into the Caribbean. Now, right now in the Caribbean, there is a little bit of dry air. That's a good thing, but it's not really dry air. And if anything, it looks like it's starting to dissipate. So we do think as it moves into the Caribbean, this little wave has the potential to become a tropical depression or tropical storm. But if you're wondering, the question is it going to move into the Gulf or not? Most of the models say it's going to go into Central America or Mexico. Some of them are trying to bring it into the Gulf, so we'll have to keep an eye on it. But the majority of models say it's going to run into the Yucatan Peninsula and just be a broad area of low pressure. It could help boost our rain chances for the weekend, but right now just isolated showers and storms. So we have plenty of time to watch this, but certainly we don't expect any impacts of significance anytime soon. It'll just be a question, does it make it to the Gulf or not, which the models are still mixed on. But more models saying no, it's not going to make it into the Gulf, so we'll keep you posted on that. 97, partly to mostly sunny skies today, and today a very small rain chance. I can't rule it out, but most of us are going to stay dry. There's not going to be much wind today either, just 5 to 10 miles per hour. It's going to be humid, so it feels like temperatures are going to be around 102. Again, associated with the sea breeze, so the most likely place where we're going to see rain is going to be Cameron and Willacy County, and most likely early this afternoon. For everywhere else, with the exception of far northeastern Hidalgo County, it's just a 10% chance of seeing rain. This is going to be a weak sea breeze. I'm not going to rule it out in Starr County, but the chance out there is also just 10%. It looks dry tonight, mostly clear skies much of the night, eventually partly cloudy, lows around 76, and winds actually becoming calm late tonight, around 0 miles per hour. It's been a while since we've had that happen. 20% chance of rain for the weekend. I know it's just Monday, but a lot of folks are already asking about the weekend. We got a 20% chance. Best chance of rain looks like Sunday with a 30% chance. Still, though, it looks like more staying dry than seeing rain. Still going to be hot and no cooler than 94 on Sunday. The rain chance does go up in the short term a little bit. A 20% chance for Tuesday and Wednesday. Looks completely dry on Thursday. Just a 10% chance of Friday, and then 20 and 30 on Sunday. Still mainly sea breeze driven, so best chance by a little bit near the coast and best chance in the afternoon, and still pretty hot forecast overall as well. Gabby?